Oh, we've got to be protected in the lab, so we've got to protect our clothes.
Right. Are you trying to talk like Bill Nye, the science guy? Because we're
No, that would be like...
we're the science gals.
We are the science gals. We're the science gals from OATECA. And we've got to remember our safety goggles. Mm-hmm. Oh, what else?
I found a beaker.
Yeah.
So I'm going to set that on the table.
Oh.
Be careful.
You never
with the
know.
beaker.
You should always have it with you.
Should always have a beaker full of something. Okay.
So what do we have?
Here is our OATECA Science Kit. I am so excited. I love science. I love teaching science, but I didn't have anything like this.
No.
That kind of really helped me have science investigations and science learning
We got to
for
get
my
to it.
students.
Yeah.
So let's see what's in
We have
here.
the educator guide. And so this guides the educator in
The educator guide.
Yeah,
I love it. And look at all that we have to offer here in the elementary. We have 12 different science curriculum, investigations, and just curriculum interventions for our students with significant disabilities. This is our elementary science workbook for our learners. And we have things for the students. They can gain information here and learn about it. And then they have an opportunity to
demonstrate their knowledge.
Absolutely.
I'm glad I can fill in the blank.
Yes. We have manipulatives, and they are inside our baggies. Anytime you want to help with words, Tiff, that would be great. When I look at you, that's a little hint. Hey, sure, Hazel Baker needs a word retrieval. And not just manipulatives.
Oh, there we go.
We have our science investigation kits.
Materials, yeah.
Yes.
Everything that you need.
Everything we need is right here. So, I just off the top of my head, this one's always so fun to me, is let's work on the 5 senses. So we have some bubble gum to chew. We have some yummy things to smell like coffee. She does not like it. I love it.
This one's my favorite. Vanilla, right? Yeah. Oh, but then we also have fabric softener too. That's pretty fun to smell.
Yes.
Exciting.
So today, let's walk through one of these experiments to show you all that you get with your science kit.